Doing yoga in the morning in bed is a great way to wake up your body and mind gently. It's a practice that can be adapted to any fitness level and can be done in as little as 5 minutes. Here are some of the benefits of doing yoga in bed. Asterisk improves circulation and gets your blood flowing. Asterisk wakes up your muscles and joints without putting too much strain on them. Asterisk increases your energy levels and helps you feel more alert. Asterisk reduces stress and anxiety. Bed yoga stretches. Here are a few yoga poses that you can try in bed. Asterisk cat-cow. Start on all fours with your hands shoulder-width apart and your knees hip-width apart. Inhale and arch your back, dropping your belly towards the floor. Exhale and round your back, tucking your chin to your chest. Repeat 5 to 10 times. Cat-cow yoga pose. Asterisk child's pose. Kneel on the bed with your toes together and your knees hip-width apart. Sit back on your heels and rest your forehead on the bed. Extend your arms out in front of you or alongside your body. Breathe deeply and hold for 5 to 10 breaths. Child's pose yoga. Asterisk supine twist. Lie on your back with your arms outstretched in a T shape. Bend your right knee and bring it over your left leg, dropping it to the floor on the outside of your left hip. Look to the right and hold for 5 to 10 breaths. Repeat on the other side. Asterisk. Supine twist yoga pose. Asterisk legs up the wall. Lie on your back with your legs up the wall. You can bend your knees if you need to. Breathe deeply and hold for 5 to 10 minutes. Legs up the wall yoga pose. Tips for doing yoga in bed. Asterisk listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard. Asterisk use a pillow or blanket for support if you need it. Asterisk focus on your breath and move slowly and smoothly. Asterisk make it a fun and enjoyable experience. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.